Doesn't look like much right now, but I cut all this, the tree tunnel right here with the electric handsaw, battery powered handsaw. Just clean this out and have some gravel put in. Have my tree tunnel back. This was all not totally grown over, but you could drive a car through this. I'm gonna trim it up a little bit still on both sides just to get it all cleaned up, but it was grown over pretty good. There's my little tree tunnel. Need to get my walking stick while I was over here. Cut all this back here. I have my PEX pipe underneath there, so I have a little strength with gravel over it. And plus I'll know where that PEX pipe is in the driveway. And then I have all this gravelled up. But I did half of that, basically half of the fruitless plum. And that was a pretty good one, 5/6 inch, no problem, it zipped right through it. Pretty big. That little handheld thing, man, did pretty good. So I got that trimmed up, so I'll get some gravel on the little loop. Be in business.